this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold.
Hi mga ka-watchers! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Introducing the Yamaha Mio Gravis first version. Up po namin to way back 2021. And up until now, ginagamit ko po for my daily use. Yung tanong, kumusta yung naging experience namin nung kinuha namin tong Mio Gravis, and for 3 years, ano yung naging experience namin o mga troubles behind this motorcycle. Speaking about the experience, for 3 years, sobrang naibigay po ni Mio Gravis yung full experience. May kalakihan kasi yung asawa ko, tapos may dalawa kaming anak. As a driver, perspective, naging kaya po kami ni Mio Gravis for long drives and even for short drives. Yung tanong, kumusta yung naging consumption ng fuel niya po? So for a short drive, umaabot po siya sa 35 to 40 kilometers per liter. And for long drives, si Mio Gravis ay kaya maibigay yung 45 kilometers up to 50 kilometers per liter. Yun po. So as a driver, di ba? Wow talaga. Kasi biruin mo, 45 to 50 kilometers per liter yung tinatakbo ng Mio Gravis in a long drive. For example, from point A to point B, aabot na ng mga 50 to 100 kilometers just to be to your work. Then why not choosing the Mio Gravis as your motorcycle for your daily commute? Talagang tipid yung magiging consumption or yung magiging expenses niyo po. At least ito pa, kasi medyo mahal na talaga yung fuel ngayon. Tapos si Mio Gravis is 4 liters full tank na po siya. So that's only like 250 to 280 pesos full tank na goods for 1 week. Ayan. So si ito Mio Gravis na ito, nilagyan ko ng dalawang mudguard. Yung purpose is to really protect the engine part. Malayo sa tubig tsaka sa mga dumi na papasok when I'm using this motorcycle. Yan, nilagyan ko po ng mga strips na ilaw just to protect me during nighttime when I am traveling. So yung odometer is 20,219 kilometers na yung itakbo nito for 3 years. Sa left side, yun yung fuel gauge. Then my button po just to check the battery, trip A, and then odometer. And then yan yung speedometer, digital na din. Yan. So on the front view, ito po yung itsura. Dual contact yung park light, and then the headlight I put switch because yung original kasi nito, it's automatic, mag-on siya pag nag-on yung motorcycle. The rest of our motorcycles in Yamaha. Yan, so may mga switches for mini driving light and then the park light. So hazard, still working after 3 years. Wala po ako naging problema sa mga switches nila. Take note po ito and heads up. If your motorcycle di na gumagana yung starter niya, for example, today gumagana tapos tomorrow hindi na, lagyan nyo lang po ng WD-40, no? Based on my experience, gagana po siya ulit. Yan po. So may mga ilaw sa gilid just to be able na visible ako paggabi. Yan. So any headaches? Wala po kaming headaches ito in terms of our finances. Hindi po nanghihingi si Gravis nito, itong Gravis na to, ng mahal. Nagkamahal lang kami kasi parati ako bumibili ng mga upgrades sa kanya. Pero yung parang replace, wala po. Even the disc brake, stock pa din yan. Yung brake sa front, tsaka sa likod, stock pa din po. For 20,000 kilometers na tinatakbo. Gulong, stock pa din po. Panggilid, stock. Sa kahit anong parts niyan, stock pa po. No? Ayan. So yung tanong, bawal po ba sir? So yung ganyang ilaw, based on my experience, hindi naman po ako napara kasi ganyan yung ilaw ko po. And then talaga in-explain ko na nagta-travel ako and kailangan ko ng maliwanag na ilaw. Ayan po. So headlight, pag nag-on yung motor, automatic pasok. So yun lang po mga ka-watchers. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.